This gorgeous all-brick home with stone accents offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, blending comfort and elegance. Inside, you'll find a bright, open floor plan with a separate office, a formal dining room, and a gourmet kitchen perfect for entertaining. The home also features a large laundry room with a sink, volume ceilings that create a light, airy feel, and a versatile bonus room upstairs ideal for a media/game room or hobby space. The spacious 3-car side-load garage is complete with sealed concrete flooring for added durability. Step outside to the inviting covered patio, complete with tile flooring, where you can unwind and take in the peaceful lake views. With a private boat dock and tanning dock, enjoying the water is just a few steps away. The property also includes a well-maintained seawall, stunning landscaping with outdoor lighting, and a drip irrigation system to keep everything lush year-round. For more details, see the agent remarks. Come experience this exceptional lakeside home for yourself, truly the perfect place to relax and make lasting memories. See agent remarks.